Hello friends, as you know we always bring videos on home decor. Today I tried to collect some items of home decor for kids room and this is for girls room, and we tried to collect the unique items which are unique in their design and in their decorating theme. So uh, I tried to bring a unique and beautiful collection, and some of the beds are with the theme of different animals like sea lion or poo or elephant, and with bunny's theme, and some of them are decorated in some princess styles, and some of the beds are beautifully decorated in a heart shape, and some are like a tree house, and some of the beds are like in queen theme, and the bed in heart shape are beautifully decorated with curtains too, and their decor in itself is something very beautiful, and you can see the kitty theme, and the choice of colors is definitely according to the kitty theme, and uh, you can see also the white color and the mustard color, and uh, and bunny's theme and Mickey Mouse theme and rabbit theme, and some of the birds are with some uh, in shape of a playpen and with some slides, and some stairs, and in form of a home, and they're top of a terrace, and they are also very beautiful and different. And we try to bring also double bed in form of bunk bed, and these we try to bring the unique things, and these are the bunk beds in these are simple bunk beds, but you can decorate them with some toy theme or with some animal theme, and this bunk bed is with a study table and drawer, and the collection we tried to bring is unique. So if you like our video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel. You can see the collection like the with night theme. This is so beautiful and amazing, and the color choices in this too, and please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.